God says, "My child, hear this now." The heavens are speaking. The warnings are being sounded. The divine realm is crying out for you to open your eyes and see what is happening. This is not just another moment. This is not just another message. This is a turning point, a crossroads, a divine revelation that cannot be ignored. Archangel Michael has been dispatched to deliver this urgent word, for what is happening behind closed doors will soon be exposed. A case has been filed. A decision has been made. And the outcome will shake everything. Do you understand the weight of this moment? Do you sense the urgency in your spirit? Something has been set in motion, something that was never meant for your good, something that has been orchestrated in the shadows. They have spoken your name in courtrooms. They have written documents that concern you. They have made agreements that will affect you without your knowledge. But God says, "I will not allow my child to be blindsided. I will not allow my chosen one to walk in darkness. I am revealing it now before it is too late." This case is bigger than you know. The papers have been signed. The strategies have been planned. The authorities have been involved. And the shocking part is this: someone you once trusted, someone you thought was on your side, someone you never would have suspected is involved in this. They have stood in meetings and nodded their head as lies were spoken against you. They have watched as plans were laid to manipulate, to deceive, to entangle you in something you never agreed to. And now, the outcome of this case will directly impact you in ways you cannot yet see. My child, the spiritual war has been raging. The forces of darkness have worked tirelessly to keep this hidden from you. The enemy thought that if you remained unaware, you would be powerless. The enemy believed that if they could keep you in the dark, you would be trapped in a situation you did not even know was being built around you. But I am God. I see all. I know all. And I will not allow my child to be caught in this web of deception. That is why you are seeing this message now. That is why this warning has reached you before it is too late. You have 30 minutes. You do not have time to hesitate. You do not have time to delay. You do not have time to second-guess yourself. The enemy is counting on your hesitation. The enemy is hoping you will ignore this. The enemy wants you to look away, to dismiss this as just another passing thought. But if you do, the consequences will be severe. Do not let them win. Do not allow the schemes of the wicked to succeed. My angels have been sent to expose this. My divine warriors have been assigned to fight for you. The heavens are moving, the battle is fierce, but victory is still possible, if you act now. You must prepare yourself for what is about to be revealed. The names involved in this case will shock you. The reasons behind it will devastate you. The betrayal will break your heart. You will want to cry. You will want to fall to your knees. You will question why this has happened. You will ask why someone who claimed to love you would do such a thing. You will wonder how long this has been going on without your knowledge. But I tell you now, my child, do not focus on the pain. Do not allow the enemy to distract you with sorrow. For I am turning this situation in your favor. They thought they were building a trap for you, but they were building their own downfall. They thought they were setting you up for failure, but they were setting themselves up for exposure. They thought they could silence the truth, but I am God, and my truth cannot be silenced. What they have done in secret is about to be shouted from the rooftops. What they planned in darkness is about to be exposed in the light. My child, listen to me. You have been under attack for longer than you know. The enemy has been working behind the scenes, using people close to you as instruments of destruction. They have spoken against you when you were not present. They have smiled in your face while secretly hoping for your downfall. They have worked tirelessly to ensure that you would not rise. But they underestimated one thing, my hand upon your life. For I have called you. I have anointed you. I have chosen you. And no attack of the enemy can undo what I have declared over your destiny. That is why I am stepping in now. That is why this case will not end as they planned. That is why the outcome they expected will be turned against them. But my child, you must be alert. You must open your eyes. You must be ready for what is coming. Because when the truth comes out, everything will change. People will show their true colors. Some will try to justify their actions. Some will beg for forgiveness. Some will run and hide, ashamed of what they have done. But you, my child, must stand firm. You must not be swayed by their words. You must not allow guilt or manipulation to cloud your judgment. There are consequences for what has been done. There are repercussions for the lies that have been told. There is a price to be paid for the deception that has been carried out. And you, my child, must be ready to walk in the victory that I am preparing for you. The person who thought they could betray you without consequence is about to face my judgment. The individual who spoke against you in secret is about to be exposed. The ones who laughed at your struggles, who celebrated your hardships, who thought they had won, will soon see that they have lost. For I am turning the tables. I am reversing the situation. I am bringing justice where there was injustice. I am bringing truth where there were lies. I am bringing restoration where there was loss. But my child, you must not hesitate. The next few hours are crucial. The decisions you make now will determine what happens next. The actions you take in this moment will shape the outcome. Do not ignore this. Do not wait. Do not assume that everything will work out without your involvement. Stand up. Take your place. Be strong. Do not let fear overtake you. Do not let confusion weaken you. Do not let doubt stop you. I am fighting for you. My angels are surrounding you. My power is going before you. And my justice is about to be served. Prepare yourself. The revelation is coming. The exposure is happening. The time is now. God says, "My child, hear me now, for what I am about to reveal is urgent." There are movements happening in the unseen, decisions being made that you have not yet been informed of. This message is not a coincidence. This is not something to take lightly or to ignore. My angels have fought to bring this warning to you, for the enemy has been working against you in ways that would shake you if you only knew the full extent of his plans. But do not fear, my child, for I am your protector, your shield, and no plan of darkness can stand against the authority of my name. There is a case, a legal matter unfolding that has the potential to impact you in ways you never expected. The documents have been signed, the meetings have been held, and the enemy believes he has secured victory. But what he has not accounted for is my divine intervention. I have already stepped ahead of this situation, my child. I have already positioned my angels around you, securing your name in the book of justice. What was meant to bring harm to you, what was intended to shake your foundation, will become the very thing that leads to your breakthrough. Archangel Michael has been dispatched to stand guard over you. He has been sent to disrupt the plans of those who have conspired in secret, those who have attempted to use the law to manipulate, control, and destroy. This is not just about a legal matter, my child, this is spiritual warfare. The enemy has been gathering forces, moving people like pieces on a chessboard, thinking that his strategy is foolproof. But he does not know that I see all, I hear all, and I act at the appointed time. There are people involved in this case who wear masks, pretending to stand for truth and justice, yet their hands are tainted with corruption. Some have been bribed, some have been deceived, and some are moving in ignorance, not knowing that they are being used by forces greater than themselves. But I tell you this, their plans will fail. The moment they believed they could stand against my chosen one was the moment they sealed their own downfall. My child, I need you to remain steadfast. I need you to stay in prayer. The enemy will try to stir up fear in your heart, to make you believe that the odds are against you, that you have no control over the outcome. But I remind you, who is greater than I? Who can override my judgment? If I say you are victorious, then nothing in this world can alter your fate. I am placing a hedge of protection around you, covering you in a way that no attack can break through. This legal battle is not just about laws written on paper, it is about spiritual territory. The enemy has tried to claim what is rightfully yours, to take from you what I have given. But he will not succeed. This situation will become a testimony, a declaration of my power, a reminder that I am the God of justice. What was meant to destroy you will elevate you. A woman is deeply involved in this case, my child. She has spoken lies against you, twisted facts, and played a role in orchestrating this situation. She believes she has won. She believes her deception will never be uncovered. But I am exposing her. I am bringing everything she has done into the light. She will not escape accountability. The very trap she set for you will become her own downfall. She has moved with arrogance, thinking no one sees, but my eyes have been on her the entire time. When you receive news about this case, do not react in fear. Do not let the enemy's attempts to shake you take root in your spirit. This is the moment where your faith must stand strong. The battle is not yours, my child, it is mine. And I have never lost a battle. Those who have gathered against you will be scattered. Those who have plotted against you will be caught in their own schemes. They thought they were in control, but they are about to see my power in full force. Prepare yourself, for divine intervention is coming. In the days ahead, expect a shift. Expect a sudden change. The enemy's plans are collapsing even now. What was hidden is being revealed. The evidence they thought they had against you will be overturned. The words spoken against you will be silenced. The judgment they thought would go in their favor will be reversed. I am your defender, your advocate, your righteous judge, and I say this: you will not lose. You will not be defeated. You will not be taken down by the lies of the enemy. Instead, you will rise. This battle is leading to your elevation. What the enemy used to harm you is the very thing I will use to bless you. Your name will not be tarnished, it will be honored. Your position will not be lost, it will be secured. Your future will not be stolen, it will be protected. No force in this world can override my will for your life. Stay in faith, my child. Speak my name boldly. Declare my promises over your life. Pray without ceasing, for your breakthrough is coming. This is not the end for you, it is the beginning of something greater. When this battle is over, you will see why you had to go through this. You will understand that I was with you every step of the way, fighting on your behalf. Do not fear, do not waver, do not doubt. I am moving swiftly, and soon, you will witness my justice unfold before your very eyes. The enemy thought he could take from you, but he has only set the stage for your greatest victory. Watch and see what I am about to do. The exposure has begun, and soon, every hidden lie, every false claim, every secret plot will be revealed. I am with you, my child. I have already declared your victory. The battle is won. Now stand firm, hold on to my promises, and know that nothing, absolutely nothing, will go wrong for you. You are safe in my hands.